That's the ticket. Specialty stuff. When I get my ass kicked, I buy a specialty tool. And there's that monster Lifeline AGM in here. Love the pack out stuff for sure. Air, tire, and jacks. Threw it all back in there. I got stuck yesterday roadside. That's why the strap's out. I just chucked everything back in. I need to get out of there. Went down the ramp backwards to avoid a 10-mile drive. Didn't flip back around the other way. And forgot that this trailer's a lot longer. And I kind of, not panicked, but I was like, oh shit, I got to get out of this mess and get out of the way. Trying not to get a ticket going the wrong way up the ramp or whatever. And whipped it around, went to drive up the side of the truck. All went well. And then all of a sudden I hit something wet and she just stopped. That's the ticket. Specialty stuff. When I get my ass kicked, I buy a specialty tool. And there's that monster Lifeline AGM in here.